Okay, beginner tap dancer number 1, Hoofers, I am so proud of you. Now you learned the first half of this mini combo last week or in the last video, and now we're going to move on to the second half, okay? Let me show you what we're going to do first, and then I will teach you, all right? So we ended on our left stamp, the left foot in the last section, okay? So now we're going to do this. Let me break it down. If you are an advanced tap dancer, then you can just learn it from that. Keep repeating that, okay? But if you are a newer, I said advanced beginner. If you are a newer beginner tap dancer, then we're going to break this down, all right? Okay, so with our right foot, our weight is here from the last step, and we're going to have stamp, shuffle, 1, 2, 3. Stamp, shuffle, 1, 2, 3. Stamp, shuffle, 1, 2, shuffle, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hit, stamp, shuffle, 1, 2, 3. Stamp, shuffle, 1, 2, 3. Stamp, shuffle, step, step, shuffle, step, step, step. Okay? Excellent. One more time for memory. 1, 2, 3, and stamp, shuffle, 1, 2, 3. Stamp, shuffle, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, shuffle. Hit, switch. Good. Excellent, you guys. Okay, so you should have that. Now, as you see, our weight is here on this right foot, so we can easily do what? Go to our left. So we have step, heel, step, 2 heels, step, 2 heels, step, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Take that again. Right foot, step, heel, 2 heels, 2 heels. Okay? You probably noticed I lied to you. I do that a lot. Be careful. All right, so we're on our right leg, so we're stepping with this one first, the left. Okay, but you're going to have to do both sides, so it's good you practice the right anyway. Anyway, here we go. Ready, and left. Good job. Next part, very easy. Stamp, shuffle, step, shuffle, step. Ball change. Okay? Good, 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 good. All right, I'm taking it here this way. We're on our right. Let's go from here, and we're going to keep going. Step, heel, step, heel, heel. Heel, heel. Stamp, shuffle, stamp, shuffle, stamp. Ball change. All right, you guys, I'm proud of you. Let's take that all together. If you need to practice something, if you're trying to remember it, just stop the video here. Go back to where you need to. Practice, practice, practice. Keep playing it as much as you need to, and then catch up with us here, okay, as you got it. All right, here we go. Let's go from the top. A little bit faster. Which foot starts first, you guys? Left foot. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, and shuffle. discouraged. If this is too much, just keep practicing, you guys, okay? You have 5 times this week to practice. You will have it by next week. All right, here we go. Let's do it one more time, facing this way. And we are done, dear hearts. I love you so much, and I'm very proud of you. 1, 2, here we go. Yes, you guys, I am so proud of you. Now remember, if you're like, oh my God, that's so basic, remember, only way you get to hear is to go through the basics. So get your Karate Kid on, wax off. I love you guys so much. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, and spread the word if you know some tap dancers that need to get their practice on, all right? I love you so much. Charon Tap Star out. See you next week. Remember, no one starts at number 1. You have to work for it. Number 1 Hoofers, let's go. Show your appreciation. Like this video now.